Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started. Question number 1. Do you like running? Running is something I enjoy doing because it is a great way to exercise and stay healthy. It also helps to clear my mind and is a good form of stress relief. Question number 2. How often do you go running? I try to go for a run at least 3 times per week. On non-running days, I usually go for a walk or do another form of exercise. Question number 3. Where do you usually go running? I usually go for a run in my neighborhood or a nearby park. To keep things interesting, I like to change up my running route. Question number 4. Is running a good exercise? Running is an excellent form of exercise. It's an excellent way to raise your heart rate and stay active. Running is also an excellent way to increase endurance and improve overall cardiovascular health. Running can also help with weight loss and muscle building. Question number 5. When was the last time you went for a run? I went for a run the day before yesterday. After a long day at work, I needed to get some fresh air and clear my mind. I also wanted to stay active and get some exercise. Question number 6. Do you run more now than you did in the past? Yes, I've been running more frequently than I used to. I'm attempting to incorporate running into my daily routine in order to stay in shape and be healthier overall. Question number 7. Have you done any long distance running? Yes, I have previously done some long distance running. I haven't done a long distance run in over a year. I completed a half marathon, which was a fantastic experience. Question number 8. Do you like to watch running competitions on TV? Yes, I enjoy watching running races on TV. The dedication and perseverance of the athletes competing in these events inspires me. It's also fun to watch the races and cheer on the competitors. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.